The stains that appear on your asphalt driveway are usually caused by the cars that are parked there and occasionally other household products. This video will show us how to effectively clean and remove oil-based and other kinds of stains that, if not treated, will prevent the driveway sealer from adhering to the asphalt. Before you begin, make sure you have all of the following items to complete this task. Begin by sweeping away any loose dirt or dust. Then apply a generous amount of Epoxyshield spot cleaner on the stain and let stand for 15 minutes. Once you've allowed the spot cleaner to work on the stain, scrub the area thoroughly with a stiff bristle brush or broom and rinse with water. Repeat these steps if necessary. Allow the area to dry completely before moving on to apply the primer. When working with Epoxyshield All Stain Premium Primer, use a paintbrush to apply a generous amount of primer to the cleaned area and about 2 inches beyond. The primer goes on white to show where it's been applied and dries clear, so it won't affect the finished color. Let the area dry fully before conducting a general cleaning of the entire driveway and applying the desired Epoxyshield sealer.
Thank you for using Rust-Oleum. For nearly 100 years, we've been giving people the power to change.